Hello there, welcome again to Health and Wellness Channel. Today we will be addressing understanding the anti-inflammatory diet, tips and benefits uncovered. But before we continue, kindly subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Chronic inflammation is a persistent, low-grade immune response that can contribute to the development of various diseases including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Adopting an anti-inflammatory diet is a proactive approach to mitigate these risks and promote overall health. This essay delves into the principles of the anti-inflammatory diet, its benefits, and practical tips for implementation. Understanding the anti-inflammatory diet. An anti-inflammatory diet emphasizes the consumption of foods that can help reduce inflammation in the body. While there isn't a single prescribed anti-inflammatory diet, common recommendations include: fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These foods help combat oxidative stress. Aim for a variety of colors to ensure a broad spectrum of nutrients as suggested by Harvard Health. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats provide fiber and nutrients that support digestive health and reduce inflammation according to Harvard Health. Incorporate sources of unsaturated fats, such as olive oil, avocados, and nuts, which have anti-inflammatory properties, as noted by Harvard Health. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory effects according to Harvard Health. Legumes, such as beans and lentils, offer fiber, protein, and antioxidants contributing to reduced inflammation, as mentioned by the Arthritis Foundation. Turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon contain compounds that can help decrease inflammation, according to Healthline. Conversely, it's advisable to limit foods that may promote inflammation, such as refined carbohydrates. White bread, pastries, and other processed grains can spike blood sugar levels and increase inflammation, as noted by Brigham and Women's Hospital. Sugary beverages and snacks are linked to increased inflammatory markers, as mentioned by Harvard Health. Processed meats, like sausages and bacon, contain compounds that can promote inflammation. According to Harvard Health, trans fats found in some margarines and packaged baked goods are associated with higher inflammation levels. Adopting an anti-inflammatory diet offers numerous health advantages. By lowering inflammation, this dietary approach can decrease the likelihood of developing conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers, as noted by Mainline Health. Improved mental health is another benefit. Some studies suggest that anti-inflammatory foods may help reduce symptoms of depression and cognitive decline, according to Health at UNL. Additionally, focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods can aid in maintaining a healthy weight, which further reduces inflammation, as highlighted by Health at UNL. Better digestive health. High-fiber foods support a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a role in regulating inflammation. UC Davis Health. Practical tips for implementing an anti-inflammatory diet. Transitioning to an anti-inflammatory diet can be straightforward with these strategies. Incorporate a variety of produce. Aim for at least 6 servings of fruits and vegetables daily, focusing on diverse colors to maximize nutrient intake. UC Davis Health. Choose whole grains. Replace refined grains with options like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat products. Opt for healthy fats. Use olive oil for cooking and include avocados, nuts, and seeds in meals. Include fatty fish. Consume fish like salmon or mackerel at least twice a week to benefit from omega-3 fatty acids. Harvard Health. Experiment with herbs and spices. Enhance dishes with turmeric, ginger, and other spices known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Limit processed foods. Reduce intake of processed snacks, sugary beverages, and refined carbohydrates. Stay hydrated. Drinking adequate water supports overall health and can aid in reducing inflammation. Incorporating these practices into your lifestyle can lead to significant health improvements over time. It's essential to remember that dietary changes should be personalized, and consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can provide tailored guidance. In conclusion, understanding and implementing an anti-inflammatory diet is a proactive step toward enhancing health and preventing chronic diseases. By focusing on whole, nutrient-rich foods and minimizing pro-inflammatory items, individuals can experience numerous benefits from reduced disease risk to improved mental well-being. I hope you found some value in this video. See you in my next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, my friend.